How to fix Instagram highlights disappeared problem. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So basically there are three different ways from which you will be able to fix Instagram highlights. The first one is check whether or not you have the latest version of Instagram. To do so, head over to your Play Store and then search for Instagram. Now, if you have the latest version, simply go to the next step. If not, get the latest version. Next, go to Settings, go to Apps, find Instagram, and then go to its storage section, then tap on Clear Cache. If it solves your problem, that's good, but if it does not, head over to the next step. That is, go to Instagram, then tap on your profile icon from your bottom right corner. Then from the top right, tap on the menu bar. Scroll all the way down and you will see an option of Help Center. Go to Help. Now, what you will have to do is go to Report a Problem. And then from here, you will have to enter or briefly explain your problem and also upload your screenshot of the problem. And rest is on Instagram's help desk. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.